Imagine for a moment that you could hold our world in the palm of your hand, this beautiful blue marble, teeming with life, spinning peacefully in the vastness of space. Now, what if in an instant it began to swell? What if our Earth suddenly doubled in size? It might sound like an upgrade, more room for everyone, right? But the reality would be far more terrifying than you could ever imagine. This isn't a story of expansion. It's a blueprint for a planetary apocalypse. The first and most immediate change would be the crushing reality of gravity. Doubling the Earth's radius would mean its mass increases eightfold. The pull you feel every day would suddenly become twice as strong. Getting out of bed would feel like lifting the weight of another person. Your bones, evolved for our current gravity, would be under immense strain, and a simple fall could be fatal. But this catastrophe isn't just personal. Our entire ecosystem would collapse. The mightiest trees, unable to support their newfound weight, would splinter and fall, turning forests into graveyards of timber. Animals would face a similar fate. A cheetah, the epitome of speed, would find its legs shattering under the force of its own sprint. Life as we know it would be grounded, crushed under the weight of its own world. As you struggled to move, you'd notice something else profoundly wrong. The sun would seem frozen in the sky. Due to the conservation of angular momentum, a larger Earth would spin much slower. A single day would stretch to last over a month. This isn't just a scheduling inconvenience, it's a death sentence for the planet's climate. The side facing the sun would endure weeks of relentless, scorching heat, turning continents into barren deserts where oceans boil away. Meanwhile, the dark side would be plunged into an unforgiving, deep frozen night, a wasteland of ice where nothing could survive the abyssal cold. The gentle rhythm of day and night, the very pulse of our planet, would be replaced by a brutal cycle of fire and ice. If the gravity and the endless days don't get you, the atmosphere will. The increased gravity would compress the air, doubling the atmospheric pressure at the surface. This denser air would become fuel for weather systems of unimaginable power. Forget hurricanes. We're talking about continent-sized hyperstorms with winds so violent they would scour cities from the face of the planet. Simultaneously, the immense pressure deep within this new, larger Earth would superheat its core. This would trigger a global volcanic cataclysm. Hundreds, even thousands, of volcanoes would erupt at once, spewing colossal clouds of ash and carbon dioxide into the thickened atmosphere. This would block out the sun and trigger a runaway greenhouse effect, transforming our world into a toxic, super-pressurized hothouse, more like Venus than the home we know. But of course, this is all just a thought experiment. Our world isn't a cosmic balloon waiting to be inflated. As our giant apocalyptic Earth shrinks back to its familiar, perfect size, we see it for what it truly is, a delicate and intricate system, fine-tuned for life. Every parameter, from its size and spin to its gravity, is part of a fragile balance. We are reminded that our planet isn't just a rock we live on, it's a precisely calibrated life support system. In the case of our world, it's clear that bigger is definitely not better. It's perfect, just the way it is.